Okay, this is continuation of our point 6 rational expressions. We left off on page 1.19. This will be day 8, so this video must be watched before September 19th. Okay. All right, so we left off here subtracting rational expressions. Now we remember that when we subtract or add rational expressions, we have to have a common denominator. So that's always how we start, by finding a common denominator. So how we do that, again, is we factor the denominators we have. X plus 5, x minus 5, and then over here, x minus 5. So finding the LCD, you have to take one of each. I've got an x, I've got an x minus 5, and I have an x plus 5. There's my LCD. Okay, so now I rewrite x plus 5, x minus 5, minus x plus 5, x minus 5. Okay, so how do I get from here to here? What did I have to tack on? Well, looks like I tacked on an x. So we have to do that in the numerator. Same thing on the other side. Looks like I have to add in an x plus 5. Okay, so from here we expand out those numerators by distributing or foiling, right? X squared plus 5x plus 5x is 10x plus 25. X plus 5, x minus 5. Now, pay attention to the numerator. Notice we're subtracting two polynomials. We had a rule for subtracting polynomials. You always had to keep, change, change. So please don't forget to do that now. Now we combine like terms. X squared minus x squared. Those simplify, right? They go to 0. Negative 2x minus 10x is going to be negative 12x. And then minus 25. And then in the denominator, x plus 5, x minus 5. And that's it. Okay? All right, let's go on to the next page. Okay, so let's try another. Again, we have to get a common denominator. All right, so we start by factoring. X plus 6, x plus 5. Hopefully that was very quick, right? Multiplies to be 30, adds to be 11. X plus 5, x plus 4. So what's my LCD? Have to have one of each. X plus 5 is my match, x plus 4, and x plus 6. Okay? So let's start by writing that down. X plus 5, x plus 4, x plus 6, minus x plus 5, x plus 4, x plus 6. So what did I have to add on? First fraction, x plus 6 and x plus 5 are already there. I tacked on that x plus 4, so that gets put in the numerator. Second one, I had to tack on that x plus 6. Okay, we're going to distribute through x squared plus 4x. Now we can distribute through, and see that minus there? We can distribute through that negative 5 if it makes it easier. Negative 5x minus 30. And notice I'm bringing everything down with me, each and every step. I want to see all of the work. Combine my like terms, x squared minus x minus 30. X plus 5, x plus 4, x plus 6. And we're going to factor one more time. And that's going to be x minus 6, x plus 5. X plus 5, x plus 4, x plus 6. And we look like we get a cancellation here. Wonderful thing. X plus 5. So our final answer is x minus 6 over x plus 4, x plus 6. Okay, so you should be getting pretty quick at this now. Again, it's review. All right, next page. complex rational expressions. Don't forget, you need one fraction over one fraction in order to keep, change, flip. Very important, one fraction over one fraction. All right, 1 over a plus 1 over b divided by 1 over a cubed plus 1 over b squared. Again, you cannot keep, change, flip until you have one fraction over one fraction. So you're going to need a common denominator in the numerator and a common denominator in the denominator. Okay? Common denominator in the numerator, you got to have one of each, right? AB. What did you need to multiply a by to get AB? You needed to multiply it by b, so that goes in your numerator. What did you need to multiply b by to get AB? That's a. Denominator, a cubed b squared. There's your common denominator. What did you have to multiply a cubed by to get a cubed b squared? Or b squared. And what did you have to multiply b squared by to get a cubed b squared? And that's going to be an a cubed. All right, now we are able to keep, change, flip. Okay. There's our keep, change, flip. So let's see what I can cancel. I can cancel one of the a's, one of the b's. Okay. Can I cancel anything else? Well, let's see. We're left with a squared b times b plus a, b squared plus a cubed. And it doesn't look like there's anything else I can do. So that's my final answer. Okay, guys. Make sure that this video was watched before September 19th. Okay. Come in prepared with any questions. We are going to be doing quite a bit of practice with this, and I will see you tomorrow.